Hi, my name is Nate Brancato. I'm president of Liri Tent US. We're here in beautiful Daytona Beach, sunny day, partnered with Bil-Jax, and we are well ahead of schedule for the installation of the Liri tent on the Bil-Jax deck, which you can see over my right shoulder. I like Bil-Jax and working with the Bil-Jax team. They give great support. The product has excellent fit and finish and is extremely easy to use. We were able to get that deck pretty much in place within the first half day yesterday, or less actually, and the tent frame was on the deck by the end of the day. So we just had real successful, quick process making the whole systems integrate together. So the Bil-Jax fittings integrate with the Liri tent. The quality of the Bil-Jax product underneath the Liri tent, the strength and the ease in which it goes together was seamless. So from my standpoint, I want the tent to go up as easily and quickly as possible, but you can't do that with a bad foundation or if you're spending a lot of time trying to integrate the two products. We have none of those issues, and it makes it very easy for the crews in the field, and the simplicity of it. The fittings from the Bil-Jax flooring are fitted to the bottoms of our tent legs. So once that frame is in position, those fittings are added so that we can feed our legs into those fittings. The tent is already square. It's a huge game changer.